StoryNest.
A group of fluffy, brightly colored monsters bustled around a spacious, sun-drenched kitchen. One, a large purple monster with mismatched googly eyes named Bloopy, carefully poured a mountain of rainbow-colored sprinkles into an enormous mixing bowl. Another, a small teal monster with spiky blue hair named Zip, zipped around the counter, diligently whisking a frothy lime-green batter in a bowl almost as big as himself. His tongue lolled out in concentration. A tall orange monster with long floppy ears named Fleep was carefully sifting a cloud of shimmering pink flour into the same giant bowl, his brow furrowed in focus to avoid any spills. Their friend, a one-eyed green monster named Goober, was turning 10 today, and they were determined to bake him the biggest, most spectacular birthday cake he had ever seen. The recipe they were following was a legendary monster mash cake, rumored to be so delicious it could make even the grumpiest gargoyles smile. Bloopy, using a giant wooden spoon, began to stir the ingredients. The mixture was a kaleidoscope of colors and textures, lumpy purple goo, shimmering blue crystals, and chunks of what looked suspiciously like candied eyeballs, Goober's favorite. Zip, having finished his batter, hopped onto a stool to reach the counter and carefully poured his lime-green mixture into the giant bowl, adding a tangy citrusy smell to the already peculiar aroma. Fleep, after ensuring every last speck of pink flour was safely in the bowl, added a generous dollop of shimmering silver frosting which seemed to glow softly.